Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Makita 36v circular saw is probably one of the most powerful and versatile tools in any professional carpenter's or serious DIYer's arsenal, offering corded-like performance without the hassle of cords, making it an indispensable asset for tackling demanding cutting tasks on job sites or in your workshop with unparalleled freedom and efficiency. Number 5. Makita 18v X2 Brushless Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. Experience the freedom of cordless cutting with our advanced Plunge circular saw. Powered by 2 LXT batteries, it delivers exceptional power and speed without the cord. This saw features a Makita-built brushless motor for maximum performance and extended run time. It's designed to give you more cuts on a single charge. Our automatic speed change technology intelligently adjusts cutting speed and torque. This ensures optimal performance no matter the material. Achieve perfect results with the variable speed dial, allowing you to set the RPM from 2,500 to 6,300. It's ideal for a wide range of applications. Get closer to the wall than ever before with its 11/16-inch capacity. This expands your cutting options for more intricate projects. Combine it with the optional guide rail for perfectly straight and precise cuts. It's the ultimate tool for detailed woodworking. What we like. This tool is powered by 2 LXT batteries for maximum performance and run time. Its automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque for optimal results. If you need to make precise cuts in tight spaces or work for extended periods without interruption, this is the saw for you. What people say. The saw is powerful and cuts through wood easily. The LED light illuminates the cut line, making it easier to see. The electric brake stops the blade quickly for safety. Number 4. ZUYIYI Cordless Mini Chainsaw. Introducing the ZUYIYI Cordless Mini Chainsaw, your perfect partner for garden and courtyard tasks. It's designed for efficient pruning and cutting of branches and wood. This tool is compatible with Makita 18v lithium-ion batteries, offering you flexibility and convenience. Please note that batteries are sold separately. Experience effortless operation with our upgraded lubrication system. Simply pour lubricant into the tank for smooth cutting and extended chain life. Remember to fill it 2/3 full before use. Enjoy a powerful yet quiet cutting experience thanks to the durable brushless motor. It operates at a low noise level, ensuring you won't disturb your neighbors. Adjust the chain tension easily without tools. It also features a safety baffle, hand guard, and a safety lock button to prevent accidental starts and ensure your safety. Perfect for pruning in gardens, parks, farms, and orchards. Its lightweight design makes it easy for anyone to handle for various cutting needs. The package includes the mini chainsaw, interchangeable 6-inch and 8-inch bars and chains, a user manual, and a convenient plastic toolbox for storage. What we like. This mini chainsaw is compatible with your existing Makita 18v batteries, offering convenience and power. It features an upgraded lubrication system for smooth operation and tool-free chain tension for easy maintenance. If you're looking for a compact and efficient tool for garden pruning and branch cutting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This saw has a powerful brushless motor that provides plenty of power for tough cuts. The electric brake stops the blade quickly, which is a great safety feature. The LED light illuminates the cut line, making it easier to see what you're doing. Number 3. 6-inch Cordless Mini Circular Saw. Experience true freedom with this cordless circular saw, designed to work seamlessly with your Makita 18v batteries. Now you can take your projects anywhere without being tied down by cords. Unleash incredible cutting power with its high-torque brushless motor, reaching up to 12,000 revolutions per minute. Enjoy a safer working experience as it eliminates spark hazards. Achieve perfect cuts every time with depths up to 2 inches at 90 degrees and 1.1 inches at 45 degrees. Its adjustable angles and depths make it ideal for all your precise woodworking needs. Work with confidence thanks to its ergonomic design and enhanced safety features. It includes a double protection switch, overheat and overload protection, and chip exhaust for uninterrupted operation. This compact saw is your go-to tool for cutting wood, soft metals, tiles, plastics, and PVC. It's perfect for home decoration and any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Easily adapt to your cutting requirements with support for various blade sizes, including 5-1/2, 5-3/8, and 6-inch blades. Maintain precision and efficiency no matter the task. What we like. This compact circular saw works with Makita 18V batteries, giving you cordless freedom. It boasts a powerful, spark-free brushless motor for safe and efficient cutting. If you're a DIY enthusiast or homeowner who needs a versatile tool for various home decoration projects involving wood, tile, metal, or plastic, this saw is ideal. What people say. The Makita 36v circular saw is a powerful tool that can handle tough jobs with ease. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, making it convenient for various applications. The saw features a large cutting capacity, allowing for deep and precise cuts. Number 2. Makita XPS01Z 36V LXT Brushless Plunge Circular Saw. Experience the freedom of cordless cutting with our advanced plunge circular saw. Powered by 2 LXT batteries, it delivers exceptional power and speed without the limitations of a cord. Its electronically controlled brushless motor provides high RPM for maximum performance. You'll also enjoy up to 50% longer run time on a single charge. Our automatic speed change technology intelligently adjusts cutting speed and torque. This ensures optimal performance no matter the material or cut. Achieve perfect results with the variable speed control dial, allowing you to set the RPM from 2,500 to 6,300. It's ideal for a wide range of materials. This tool is designed for precision cutting of large wood panels and other materials, especially in confined areas. Get professional results with ease. It comes equipped with a high-quality 6-1/2-inch 55T carbide-tipped blade for wood, MDF, and laminates, along with a convenient hex wrench. What we like. This plunge saw is powered by 2 LXT batteries, offering enhanced power and runtime without cords. Its automatic speed change technology ensures optimal performance across different materials. If you frequently work with large wood panels or need to make precise, clean cuts in confined areas, this tool is designed for you. What people say. This saw is a beast, it cuts through 2x material like butter. The electric brake is a great safety feature, stopping the blade almost instantly. It's a bit heavy, but the power makes up for it. Number 1. Makita XSR01Z 18VX2 LXT Cordless Rear Handle Circular Saw. Experience the freedom of cordless cutting. Powered by 2 LXT batteries, it delivers exceptional power and speed without the cord. It features a Makita-built electronically controlled brushless motor. This design runs cooler and more efficiently, providing longer life and enhanced performance. With automatic speed change, it intelligently adjusts cutting speed and torque. This ensures optimal performance throughout every cut. Achieve more with X2 LXT technology. Enjoy significantly longer run times, allowing for more cuts on a single charge. Get up to 558 crosscuts in 2x4 lumber or 291 crosscuts in 2x10 lumber. This performance is achieved using 2 5.0Ah batteries. This is a renewed tool-only offering. It provides the same Makita quality and performance you expect, at a great value. What we like. This rear handle circular saw utilizes X2 LXT technology for superior power and extended run time. The brushless motor ensures durability and efficiency. If you're looking for a robust saw capable of making a high volume of cuts in lumber, especially for framing or construction tasks, this tool will not disappoint. What people say. This saw has a powerful motor that cuts through 2x material with ease. The electric brake stops the blade quickly, which is a great safety feature. It's lightweight and well-balanced, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.